Hi, my name is Frances. I am recording this video because honestly, I just think my hair looks kind of cute today. And I think about recording videos for YouTube all the time. I literally think about them every single day. I think so much about them that I feel like I've already recorded a video, but I have not recorded a video in forever. But I think about recording videos all the time. Anyways, today I had an interesting day and I'm just feeling really inspired about what's possible in my life. And for me, I've been through a lot of stuff and I'm just so grateful to be grateful and to have recovered from the things that I've recovered from and to be sober and just I don't know, happy and peaceful. And I really want to share how I've done that with other people because it really has been a journey of like 25 years. It's crazy when you think of that, but and I've learned a lot from my journey. And I just want to share that. I really just want to share that on YouTube. But I overthink how to do that, and I overthink what people are going to think about me and my story. And I think so much, I just don't end up doing anything. I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I am kind of obsessed about YouTube. I'm also equally obsessed about addiction recovery. I think of addiction as the same mechanics that apply to drugs and alcohol as work and scrolling and, just different ways that people cope. And I'd like to share what I've learned about that on YouTube. I just wanted to say hello today, and I know that everything begins with showing up and just starting where you are. So that's what I'm doing today, and I just wanted to make this really quick video. And if you lasted throughout this video, you can leave like a little star in the comments or anything you want. Um, but then that will that will help me know that I'm not alone and that I don't know, just that you support what I'm trying to do. And hopefully I won't give up. I don't think that I will. But I'm going to try to approach YouTube as just like an experiment and a practice instead of a performance. And hopefully that will help. And maybe I'll even do it again tomorrow. So, yeah, we'll just see what happens. Thanks for listening. And I'm not going to edit it because that's just too complicated. So, thanks. Have a good day. Okay, stop. The end.